Assalamu alaikum, all viewers and listeners. Welcome to EW. I hope you're fresh right now, and hopefully, uh, you're enjoying. So, without any delay in video, right now, what I'm going to do actually in this video, I'm going to tell you how can you make a spring. Okay. So for that, be with me. But remember one thing, that if you're new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon. Okay, to make a spring, for that, come to helix, click on it, or even you can come to draw, come downward, and from here you can select the helix. But actually, you already know that the AutoCAD is something like the interactive software. Whenever you are going to make something, it always asks you, okay, what to do further. So right now, and the command bar right now, it asks me that specify the center point. Right now, randomly, I'm specifying some point right now. So right now, what is asks me that specify base radius, because the spring must have some height. So it asks me right now. I'm giving it 4. Now, you can assign the top radius the same as you have done the base radius, or even you can give something even a little bit little than that what you have given for the base, because sometimes you can make the taper spring. Okay, so for that you have to assign the top radius vary from that bottom radius or diameter. Right now I'm making the parallel or even the regular spring. So for that I'm assigning the top radius 4, and right now what is asked me that right now, even in the command bar right now, even you can see a lot of things like terms, height, twist, axis, okay, whatever you can get for it. So right now what I'm going to do is actually you can see actually the green highlighted ladder. Okay, so whatever you want, so you just enter that ladder rather than to enter the complete command. So right now what I'm doing, I'm giving this helix is height. So right now I'm just press H, specify distance between terms. Okay, because it will automatically generate the terms, but it height. So it asks me right now, specify the distance. Now you will see that my helix is disappear, but don't worry, okay, it is there right now, but you can't see that. So specify the terms. So right now I'm keeping it 1, so I'm entering right now 1 and specify helix height. Okay, right now it asks me that you have selected the height, so right now you have to assign the height of the helix. So I'm giving it 10. Right now it looks like a circle, but actually this is not a circle, because right now you are in top view. Whenever you are go to the isometric, southwest isometric, so you can see actually this is my spring. And for that right now, let me right now what I'm going to do, actually I'm going to and no okay, and this view I'm going to make a circle, and that is right now I'm doing it no dimension, I'm making it randomly right now. Now see an isometric, that is yep. Right now you can see actually my profile is perpendicular to this helix. Right now you can actually sweep, okay, the profile along this path. For that, what to do actually, right now I'm going to Z enter, E enter. Okay, so actually what I'm going to move this part, or even you can even what to do is actually is you can drag it up to here and move. Okay, okay, but still it requires some. Okay, we see it sweeps or not right now. So move and come to the snap display. Everything is done well, but I don't know why it's not tracking at the moment. Okay, right now what I should to do actually right now, let me select the sweep command. Select object to sweep is my this one. Press enter, and right now I'm selecting the path, but select object right now, select sweep. Okay, actually I'm going okay right now. Actually you can see your spring is perfectly defined right now, but make sure whenever you are dealing with something, so make sure your profile must be perpendicular to the path and that you want to sweep. So hopefully you like this video. If you're new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And right now what I'm going to do, I'm just changing the color. It doesn't look well. Yep. Or even select color, and right now I'm giving something like, we call it something metallic color. So hopefully you like this video, and if you're new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends so that they also take benefits of this video. So right now I have used the sweep command. So okay, wish you all the best and thanks for watching.